Hi everyone, my name is Bassem and welcome back to my finance, investment, and real estate YouTube channel. I noticed a lot of videos giving advice to new investors and beginners on how to think and what to do during this market crash, market correction, but I haven't found anything on what current homeowners should do and what current investors should do, so I thought I'd say my piece. Before we get started, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get a notification every time I come out with a new video. First thing, for current homeowners, with the US and Canada dropping their interest rates, I recommend this is a good time to talk to your mortgage broker or your bank or whoever you have your mortgage with to refinance your mortgage. I don't necessarily mean to take out more money, but take a look at the rates they're offering compared to the rates you currently have. There's probably and hopefully going to be a big drop. I did this last week when Canada announced their second rate drop in just a few weeks. I have a $400,000 mortgage on one of my rental properties at 3.25 interest rate, which is not that great. A few years ago that would have been called good, but not anymore. I ended up just getting a 2.49 interest rate, which on 400,000 saves me about $140 a month. You know, it's nothing crazy, it's nothing to write a book about, but it definitely adds up and it makes my already cash flow positive investment even more cash flow positive. On to stock market investors. Everyone has read about what to do during a stock market correction. Hold on to your stocks and buy the dip. But this really has myself and many other investors second guessing themselves. I have huge losses right now, as does everyone else. But keep in mind, these are only paper losses. You don't actually lose money until you sell. When you sell, you crystallize your loss, which I would hate for anyone to do. I'm saying this because all I see in the stock market right now, mainly what I see is panic selling. Everyone's afraid their company will go to zero, so they don't want to lose all their money, so they're selling at a loss to ensure they lose some money. I saw this during the last recession with my friend's parents. They, don't really know much about the stock market. They saw their stocks going down. They sold, ensuring they had a loss. Then they never bought back in. So they guaranteed a loss by buying high and selling low, and then never getting back in, never giving them a chance to make their money back. If you've watched some of my other videos, I'm telling everyone to be patient and invest for the long term, which I think everyone should. If you currently own stocks before this crash and you're down a little bit, or if you're down a lot, just hold tight, stay the course, and ride it out. Let's talk in a year. Again, you're not losing anything and you didn't lose anything. You only lose once you sell. If a stock went up, let's say 200%, did you make anything? Not really. You only made money if you sold. What annoyed me, those Winklevoss twins? They claimed they were the first ones to make $1 billion off of Bitcoin, but they never sold. So they didn't make anything. And then Bitcoin crashed, and then weren't they also the first ones to lose $1 billion on Bitcoin? I don't understand. Whatever. Those guys are like 45. Stop dressing alike. It's so weird. To sum up this short video, if you currently have a mortgage, try to refinance at a lower rate to save some money. If you have stocks and they're down, hopefully they're dividend paying, so you're earning some cheddar while you wait either to buy in some more or for the market to go back up. Remember, I keep saying this, I feel like everyone's saying this, don't try to time the market. If you have some extra money on the side you want to invest, buy in slowly, buy a little bit, wait a few days, wait a few weeks, see what happens, buy in some more. I feel like the market is changing so often, every video I'm making is becoming irrelevant in just a few days. So please remember, subscribe to the channel so you can check out my next panic emergency video. Also, a reminder, if you're ever filming a YouTube video, make sure your camera battery is charged so it doesn't die in the middle like it did on me this time.